Alright, food is wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to the channel. So, remember, last week we made the sweet potato pudding. We had some leftover coconut. Right now we're going to be making a cornmeal Jamaican pudding. We're using the coconut from last week to make this recipe. So, these are the ingredients that you're going to need to make it yourself. We have some shredded coconut, cornmeal, a tablespoon of flour. We have some nutmeg, a pinch of salt, brown sugar, coconut milk. We have some vanilla extract, and we also have some melted butter. So let's kick it off. Alright, so let's go ahead now and add in the coconut cream. We're adding in some brown sugar, some melted butter, some vanilla, and a pinch of salt. We're going to whisk this and combine it. Alright, so now that we have the wet ingredients out of the way, we're going to be setting aside some of it to make the hallelujah. And this is what's going to give it the glaze on top. Alright, so let's put that aside. So we're now going to add the cornmeal with the tablespoon of all-purpose flour. We're going to whisk this until everything is combined. You know what? Let's dunk in the coconut while we are here. We're also going to be adding in some nutmeg. Let's add some raisin as well. We're adding a cup of water as well because we don't want the pudding to be too hard. So we're going to combine this, and you can literally see that it took at least a minute to combine. So it's a very easy recipe. You don't have no excuse to say you can't make it. And you can't say you don't have no time. The kids go love it, your family members go love it. It only takes 1 hour to mix. Alright, so now that we have this mix, we're going to pour it into a grease pan. And we're going to bake it for at least 2 hours or until it starts get golden brown. Then we add on the hallelujah on top. Let's move over to that phase now. Alright, so now that we get to this point, we're going to go ahead now and add the hallelujah on top and then put it back in the oven to finish off.